Alright, let's get some wires laid in on the motor now. I still got some things hanging down I need to hook up, but got the basics hooked up. So get my battery box plug-ins and stuff. I'll clean it up so it looks nicer later. And then on the inside over here, we're going to, I think I want to hide the box in the driver's seat. So we can get focused on there. Computer box. And then I'll just notch the doghouse and have those wires come out. We're running out of light here, so if you can't see this, I'll refilm this tomorrow.